Okie dokie, so another unboxing. Another. This is something really cool. Never had one before. And I hope it survives in my care. Because some of my friends have said that they've bought these and they've just died. So let's hope for the best because it's such a cool thing. Heat pack is still kind of warm. Okay. Here we go. Oh, and another heat pack, and this one's even warmer, so that's pretty cool. So, we just put all this back in here, like so. And we can just chuck it out of the way. So let's open it and have a better look. Are you going to like run out really fast and scare me? Or are you just going to be there and chill? You're just going to chill out. There we go. So it is a tiny little scorpion. This is the, so I probably can't pronounce it right, Israeli gold, which is the Scorpio Morus, I think it's pronounced. So I put it in this enclosure, then I'll get some more close-ups. So the substrate I'm using is plantation soil and aquarium sand. So I didn't want it to be just plantation soil, so I'm using my left hand so my hand doesn't block the shot. But are you going to fall off if I lift this up? No. That was pretty cool. Pretty swell indeed. Gnarly. I guess I'll just tip this in. And they're really well known for being really good diggers. So now I'll give you some close-up shots. So you can see it's a really pretty little scorpion. He's off on an adventure now. You've got a choice between a big piece of cockback and a smaller piece. Your drink is over there. You will get some food. Maybe not today because I'll let you settle in. Are you digging? So yeah, it's a lot smaller than I thought, but I know they are a small species, only going up to about 3 inches. And I'd say this now is about almost an inch, but maybe not quite. So you can see it digging there. Sorry I'm shaking so much, I'm holding my phone at a weird angle and yeah. So I will leave this video here. Please subscribe if you like watching this kind of content. Leave a like and comment.